Hello guys! Today I got a new bike. It's a brand new, very shiny, very well built, actually it's not built yet, bicycle, and I'm gonna show it to you. Yes! This is the Lego, not Kenyan, not Specialized, Lego road bike. And it was just announced a few weeks ago. It's adult set, so it's 18 plus. If you are a child or don't have 18 years, so I will advise you to stop watching now. But I'm kidding, there is nothing explicit in this video. We're gonna assemble this bike. We're gonna see how big it is. It's supposed to be 1-to-1 like a real bike, and it can be redone. No, I'm joking again. It's a smaller bike, but not so small, about 60 centimeters in length. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. So stay tuned. The first tire, rear, I think this is the rear rim, is ready, and we have the stand. And I think this is for the brake pads. Yeah, nice. We finally built it, guys. Look at it. It's so tiny. It's small. This is my hand. It's a regular hand. And we have a tiny water bottle and a tiny saddle. Actually, the saddle is really small. It's not proportional to the bicycle. And the handlebars, these horns here, are also not proportional. The brakes, but it's really cute. I like it so much. Everything is functional. You can spin the wheels. There are small disc brakes, and here we have a fixed movement. I don't know what was it called, and we have this tiny little chain. Each of these pieces, they were separate, and we had to connect them. 72 pieces. And the wheels are so nice and so perfect. You can see them. We managed to assemble them piece by piece with the spokes, rear disc brake. There's even a caliper. You can see the disc caliper there. It's not connected to anywhere, but it's nice attention to detail. And we have the rear light, and it's so nice model. It was fun building it, but it took some time because yeah, it's 1015 pieces, and inside the book, the leaflet that you are building, they said that this is the largest tire that Lego manufactures. Specifically for this bike, they made the largest tire. And also, do you know that Lego are the largest manufacturer of tires in the world? Yes, it's true. At least they say true. And you can see it has a stand here, bike stand, that you can remove. And my son tried to ride the bike, but he failed. He's too big. And the bike is not very stable. But yeah, I really like this. Good attention to detail. Even in the bottle, you can see in the bottle, they put water inside the bottle. Do you see it? And you can close it like that. You can drink, but it's not real water. Yeah. And yeah, this is all for the Lego road bike icons set. It's a brand new set released a few weeks ago. It's adults only, 18 plus, but there is no adult anything here, so my son built it with me. And yeah, it's pretty nice. And if you like this video, stay tuned and see you. Bye.